gentlemen, when the seatbelt sign is illuminated, you are required to take your seats and remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened.
Good morning.
Hi. I'm
How's
all
it
cactused
going?
up today.
What?
Joshua Tree.
We slept very well. We woke up with the sunrise and had some coffee this morning. And we were greeted by the owner, Robert, and his dog, Bella. And we petted her a little bit, and it was sweet.
Very sweet.
Good morning.
First order of business, we got some tacos.
Tacos.
Tacos were good. If you're in California, you gotta get tacos. Joshua Tree, we did it.
Joshua. Tree.
It's Joshua Tree, we did it.
I'm Joshua Tree.
Hi, I'm Josh, here in Joshua Tree. We did it.
Reporting live from Josh. You a
Hey,
tree.
we did it.
Sedona, if you could be here right now, you would catch all of the field mice.
Yeah. We didn't see any sheep. That was
I
a
was
bummer.
just gonna say that. We didn't see any bighorn sheep.
That was kind of the biggest letdown, was not seeing the sheep. Other than that, I think we did pretty good. What do you say?